Hey guys, I just want to do a quick video today because today is Microsoft's 50th anniversary. So why am I talking about Microsoft on a Mac Focus channel? Because Microsoft was one of the very first developers for the Mac. And in fact, Excel, which everyone knows is part of Office, a famous Microsoft program, Excel started as a Macintosh exclusive program. So I just wanted to do a little quick thing here and show you just a little thing in Cell to celebrate Microsoft turning 50 years old. They certainly have a convoluted history with Apple, but there is no denying, the impact on the computer industry and the world as a whole. I mean, Apple wouldn't be here today, probably, if it weren't for Microsoft. Uh, Certainly in '97 when Microsoft invested in Apple, when Steve Jobs came back. That was pretty important for a current Apple computer. But also, I think the Mac might not have been successful because before they stole the look of the OS, um, Microsoft was really interested in the Mac. So anyway, here's to 50 years. I guess Apple will have its 50th anniversary in another 2 years in 1977 and 2027. Sorry. So yeah, happy birthday, Microsoft, and keep developing things for the Mac.